I'm just about to try Panda Express for the first time, and I'm so excited. I've always wanted to try Panda Express, and we've randomly just came across one. Hello, can I please have a bowl? Yes. Yes, please. With the chow mein, please. And the orange chicken, please. Can we get a spring roll as well, please?
One piece?
Yes, please. Yeah. So this is my bowl. I've got a spring roll to share, orange chicken and chow mein at the bottom, and fortune cookie. A fortune cookie says, don't be afraid to experiment with a new look. There you go. I don't like them, so I'm a bit of a strange spring roll. So that is the Panda Express orange chicken. So let's give it a try. That is so nice, isn't it? And then we've got our chow mein. That's nice as well. This was only £10 for our 2 meals, the spring roll and the drink as well, which is very good, I think.